In this video, we will learn about how can we solve these fractions. How can we find the solution of these type of fractions? In this question, first of all, they will ask you. You have to simplify this expression. So first of all, you will check the terms in denominator and what is given in numerator. You can see in denominator we have x into x plus 3, and in second term we have y square x plus 3, and in third term we have y. So first of all, you will check what is the common in denominator. The LCM what we will take in this denominator, it is the multiplication of all the terms of in the denominator. But what is the common in the denominator, we will write that in one time only, right? For example, the LCM, you are taking the LCM, so in denominator you will write multiplication of these things. Check here, x, there is no x here, so first of all we will take x, then multiplication with x plus 3. X plus 3 is here, it's okay, but x plus 3 is missing here, so you can write it like that, multiply it by x plus 3, and also you have to write multiply numerator with the same term. There will be no difference because numerator and denominator terms will cancel each other. Again you have left x over y. So for our convenience, I will multiply this by x plus 3 in the numerator and denominator. Next is, first term is x into x plus 3, then next term we will take y square, right? But in y square you will see this y is already here, because y square meaning y is multiplied by y, so it already has y in it, right? So for our LCM, in denominator the term will be x into y square into x plus 3, right? So in next step I have written it x y square into x plus 3. This term, for my convenience, I multiply this denominator and numerator by x plus 3, so it will be easy for us to multiply and understand. After writing the denominator, you will check first term, what is missing in the denominator. This term should be multiplied by this, right? But which thing is missing here, we will multiply that thing by this term, right? For example, in this here in LCM you will see x into y square into x plus 3, but you will check in denominator we have x into x plus 3, so we have x and x plus 3, they are using here in denominator. The missing thing is y square, right? So this y square will multiply by the term which is already in the numerator. So 2y will multiply by this extra y square. I'm telling you how we will take the LCM in the algebraic expression, right? So what thing is missing here? I will multiply that thing with the term in the numerator. So I will multiply 2y by y square. Then we will write the plus sign in between them, and then we will see the second term. Now in the second term you will check what thing is missing here. Y square x plus 3 is here, but x is missing here, right? So we have to make this thing. So if we want to make this thing, we will multiply this by x, then we will get this thing, right? So x is missing here. I will multiply the numerator one by that missing thing, which is x here, right? So in this case we will write the second term. Now we will go through the third term. In third term you will check, I already write for my convenience x plus 3, and now I will check which thing is not here, which thing is miss here. So in my LCM, here is x and y, because here is y square and here we have only one y. So I will multiply this term by this x and one missing y, which is not here, right? So x is already here. I multiply this missing x here. X plus 3 is already here, right? And y is missing here. Already we have y here, but here we have y square. So one y is missing here, so I will multiply here by one y only, right? In this case, you will take the LCM of algebraic expressions. After taking all these things, after these steps, just you have to simplify and you will get your answer. In first term, you will have 2y cube. X multiplied by 1 will give you x, minus this x will multiply by x. It will give you x square, and this x square multiplied by first term, and the next this x square will multiply by second term in the parenthesis, and also this y will be multiplying. So x square, x will give you x cube, and this y, right? Because it's outside the parenthesis, so it will also multiply by each term inside the brackets. So x cube y, this minus sign will change the sign of this inside the parenthesis, so it will become minus 3 of this is the coefficient, x square and y, right? Not y square, y here, because we have only one y. And in next step, you just write them, 2y cube plus x minus x cube, and y, not y square, only one y minus 3x square y, divided by, it will remain the same. So in it this is the exact thing, how can we solve the algebraic expressions in which we have fractions, right? So this is the exact way how we have finding a common denominator even works for those fractions. How can we solve them? Just we have checked the denominators, take the LCM, and then I have showed you whatever thing is missing, we will check here, and we will check which thing is missing here. That thing will be multiplied by numerator value. Similarly here and similarly here. So this is the way how can we solve algebraic fractions. Hopefully you can understand. Thank you.